Action.
I just don't like hospitals. You know, something about them is... But everyone says that, don't they? I don't like hospitals. Sort of a obvious thing to say, like, I don't like funerals.
Or clowns. People always say they don't like clowns.
That's true. I don't like them either. I always wonder why. I think it goes back to when I was a child. I went to the circus. And a clown killed my father.
You are joking, right?
Yeah, don't
God, thank God. For a second I thought, oh, we're funny.
Oh, I can't imagine you doing that.
Trust me, I'm an expert. And don't worry, you for asthma, right?
Yeah.
We'll have you out of here in no time, I promise.
See, that's what I like about this hospital.
What?
You're very good at making me feel better. Plus, I get a bed next to the wondrous blend machine.
Yep. It's a glamorous job, alright. Cut.